back to my channel. So today I thought I would do curtain bangs on myself. I just want something different with my hair. I was debating whether or not if I should dye it or cut it. I decided to do curtain bangs, which is something different and a simple change. So that's what we're doing today. So this is my current hair. It is literally all one length because I've been growing it out for the past 3 years now, because I used to bleach my hair all the time and do pastel hair colors. I just thought curtain bangs would make it more fun for me, or styling it or something of the sort. So we're gonna go ahead and do that today, which I'm so scared and nervous for, but let's go ahead with this video. And so I'm gonna be splitting my hair right in the middle. So I've never really split my parts. It's always been on my left side, but I guess this year we are doing something completely different. We're gonna be starting with the triangle, and I'm just gonna be parting it right here just a little bit. So I have these 2 pairs of scissors. They're both just like a regular scissor, and then I have shears with them. I'm so nervous. Like, I had never really cut my bangs or my hair by myself in a very long time. So a pretty good gauge to see how this will look, just going like this, honestly, just to see the length of where I want it to end. You can bring them all the way to the front and then cut them where the shortest layers you want to be at. And I think I probably want them underneath my ears right here, and I'm going to be cutting it just probably right here. Seeing my hair is so long, like, that's insane. I haven't cut my hair in forever. Also, this was a really bad job. Okay, so I'm just gonna go ahead and cut a little bit more. Okay, so they're a lot longer than I expected, I guess, so I'm gonna go and cut some more. Yeah, I'm also doing a TikTok live. I'm actually filming a video for my YouTube channel too, so that's how it's currently going. But yeah, looks super awkward. I haven't had bangs in quite some time, so I think this is still too long, so I'm actually going to just be cutting it a little bit more. I hope that this turns out good, but we never know. It reminds me of like a hime cut, so I mean, I could honestly wear this too. It kind of just reminds me of boa Hancock, so not like entirely bad. I guess I like this length because I can still put it behind my ears. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and pull this out and essentially do this at a diagonal right here, and then just go up and down, point cut. Okay, so I'm literally just gonna be point cutting the rest of this so it can look not so choppy. Okay, I think they need to be more layered, so I'm gonna try using shears. Okay, this looks a lot better, but it's still a little bit too long, I think. Every time I make a cut, I like it less and less. Also because they're not styled either. Okay, so I do like how this is rounding out right here, so maybe I'll just go ahead and cut the other one so it doesn't look too weird. Okay, I'm gonna just chop this first off. I seriously hate this. Okay, I'm just gonna point cut literally the rest of this hair. So I'm gonna use the shears, but I kind of have an idea now. I guess without it being styled, it definitely does look a little bit more edgy. Interesting. Okay, so I'm just gonna spray a little bit of heat protectant, and I just washed my hair, but like now it kind of looks greasy and oily because it keeps touching my face and my hands, so kind of sad now. So because my bangs are going inwards, I'm gonna be curling them outwards with the straightener to give them more volume, especially at my forehead. Okay, and I'm just holding it up a little bit just to give it a little bit more volume here. And then I'm gonna be twisting this. Okay, that looks a lot better than what I was anticipating. Wow. It kind of looks good, I'll be honest. Byakuran. If you're talking about KHR, that's what I thought about, but absolutely love KHR. I was watching Jessica and she was doing her curtain bangs, and this kind of like inspired me to cut my hair, and she was also curling her pieces of her hair individually, so I also want to do that too. So this is how my hair looks with the end pieces curled, and this is with it straight, and this just adds a little bit more oomph to the hairstyle. I'm just gonna be doing that again for the other one. So this is how it looks all together, and it just adds a little bit more volume and character to my hair because it's all one length. So these are how the curtain bangs look styled, and it's very different from what I usually do. I never really have bangs, and this is a nice change in my hair. I think I will try to find a way to do these curls in my hair heatless version because I don't want to keep using a straightener. This definitely does remind me with like this whole outfit and this hairstyle. It does kind of remind me of like a vintage look, which is not bad, but I really do like the way it looks. So that will show you guys how it looks like with a bucket hat. It definitely looks super like retro now. Absolutely love the way this looks. You guys can definitely play this down and you can dress it up. Super casual. These bangs, so cute. Absolutely in love. But yeah, I want to show you guys my entire outfit because it's just so cute. Yeah, that was it for my curtain bangs. If you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel down below, and thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.